Beautiful. We're just about to head out, grab some Timmy's for breakfast, and then we're gonna head to John's to fix up the rest of my car. Morning. And Diana let us borrow her FRS for the weekend. Thanks, Diana.
Last year we had someone who had a antique show car.
Oh, that's cool too. The classic.
So cool. That inside is all fixed. Fixed up.
Yeah.
And then that guy fixed up everything. Inside is so simple.
Yeah.
And then I was like, how come they say they fixed everything inside, outside, and then it's so cool.
So all these guys are gonna be going into that car, mainly because my booth is taking up like 3/4 of the inside of my car, so I can't take anybody. So we just met the hosts of our Airbnb, super nice people, and thank you guys for letting us stay over.
Weekend, call out my name. It is the way we grew, 12:50 in the PM. Good afternoon, Toronto. It is now 14 degrees, going to a high of 24, so we just 10 degrees away from our
Cupping a couple of electronics for my lighting system. Yo, this place is sweet. Found these iPhone headphones. They look legit, but they're only $6. Questionable. Do it, go to. I'm gonna try it. At the time. Yeah, so this is meant to be for the rear, just in case.
It's meant to be rear.
That's cool.
But some people, instead of putting outside literally, they run the cable and put it inside into the glass
the interior.
on top. And then they
that's
bend
smart.
it a little.
Yeah. I see. You know what? I might actually end up picking this up.
Kinda cool, huh?
Alright, we're at John's house now. We have to be at the show super early just because we're one of the vendors and we need to set up the booth. But yeah, today is just mainly fixing this thing.
You got to let it go. You got to let it go.
Canards, let's go. These are so dirts. This is what I'm fixing up. Just gotta reframe it. Gross. It started raining a little bit. Should slow down soon though. And I'm over here just reapplying my rubber part on my fenders. Alright, clear skies. If you look behind John's house, it's just pure darkness. There's the rain clouds. And then if you turn around, it's beautiful, but it is windy as fuck. Alright, gonna go grab some bulbs, quick trip to Canadian Tire, and we're hopping into John's car. Hey! Hey! Ah, my leg! For anyone wondering, this is 2017 BRZ. Simon's just gonna finish up the wiring, gotta put the gold canards on, and then we're golden. Golden. Shingle's just falling, bro. Dangerous wind, bro. Oh my god. What Simon's doing now is he's adding a switch that's connected to the green lights in the front. So if I wanted to, I can have them off or on. Holy. There's our wind collection. Dude, I'm just gonna toss this. John's new puppy. Charlie! Charlie, what up, boy? Woo!
He's gonna fly away in this.
Finished. So we've cleaned it up as much as we possibly can. We're probably gonna go for a quick car wash. And tomorrow is when we do the deep, thorough clean. So for now, it's all said and done. Simon, thanks. So the lighting is all fixed. Switched out the light that was burnt out here. And if you guys notice, the 2 green lights here that aren't on, that's what Simon was fixing. And he attached the button right here, made it look super OEM. Clean! Ace. Hey! Hey! It is windy. Okay, so we met up with Anna, and now we're heading to Fuck.
It is 2:30.
What? When you It has been a minute since I last washed this thing. So, we're here, and I'm gonna give it a quick rinse down. Super clean. Alright, we're gonna go for a nice little cruise with these cotton candy skies, and John is gonna be the photographer. And now we got space in here, so Gutu is actually sitting in it.
I should throw my camera too. Where'd he go? Give me your pen.
No.
Yeah, just let it roll forward a bit. Keep turning your wheel.
So we got our newfound friend Ben and John taking some shots of the FRS's. Pretty sweet spot.
I'm vlogging right now, man. What up, Birdie?
You're not?
How do you feel? You're in Toronto.
Oh, are you actually vlogging?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Okay. I feel great.
Yeah.
Well, I'm actually pretty stoked. We are in downtown. Kind of had a small taste of the rush hour traffics. And these guys, our Toronto buddies, found us this spot, so now they're just taking a couple of shots of the car. But yeah, one more sleep until driven, and we have to wake up like 9:30 tomorrow. So.
Woo woo. Woo woo. Woo woo. Woo woo. It's okay. It's an art project.
Should we go, guys? I don't know. I'm so down. Let's see if anything else is open. Yo! Oh, it's open. Sorry. Oh, it's getting way dark, dude. Again, this camera sucks in low light. Cool, man. Rogers Center. Bruh, that's sick. Yeah, that turned out, dude. Bro. Alright, so we're at the Rogers Center right now, taking a couple of shots of the FRS. Rogers Center is where they hold most sporting events. The all too famous Toronto Blue Jays play here, Toronto Raptors. So underneath that is basically where the convention center is and where we do all the fan expos. But this time around, it's for cars. Let's go see how Jaffe's doing. How you holding up, dude? Are you down for some bubble tea after?
Sure.
Or dessert?
Yeah, man. Whatever's open.
Slow poke in the Pikachu tube. That's cool. Jeff's playing some Final Fantasy VI. Bro, that's OG Aquila. Damn.
Yep. Coliseum.
So how was that?
Yeah,
You like that?
Thanks.
That was perfect.
It was hilarious because like the GPS was like literally pointing us the opposite direction of
Yeah,
where it was
that's why we got
going.
lost.
And
Every turn you would take,
it would be the
tell us
opposite.
Yeah. Once we got to where I knew we were, like, the area,
Yeah.
so that's why we went, like, in a big circle
Yeah.
to get on the young.
No, that's good. Dude, we were doing so many illegal things.
Look, accidental meat.
Yeah.
Except these are new and not beat up like ours.
Grabbing bubble tea now, parking, and we found these random BRZs and FRSs. Not with us. Check this I-8 out. Really clean wrap job. Okay. Had to repark just so we can complete this line. Naruto runs. Barbecue towns. Take your snaps, take your snaps. Are you happy now? Okay. Guess that's it. Catch you tomorrow. Yeah, have a good night. Peace out. John. Drive safe. Guys, back at the Airbnb. Gucci's already doing shopping, man.
Right, all these impulse buys.
Yeah.
For the new wheels.
Right. So Gucci came back from the electronics store with a couple of goodies. What's the verdict, dude?
$5 iPhone headphones are like exactly the same. Like I can't tell the difference. Sound quality is the same. It feels the same. I don't know.
$6 compared to
$40.
40, yeah.
These were like $10. I'm just gonna see how they turn out.
Dude, that's high tech. I am wearing the same exact things as I was wearing yesterday. This is gonna be the same exact ending as yesterday too. So if you guys want to get updated on when new videos come out on this channel, hit that subscribe button, drop a like, drop a comment, do whatever you guys want with your life. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.